Welcome. I hope that you're ready to learn a ton about React Native. I have collected a tremendous amount of feedback on why students want to learn React Native, and this course is kind of like the culmination of that effort. Every topic is carefully presented in a very specific order to make sure that you can walk away from this course with the skills that you need to build awesome native applications. So the overwhelming goal here, like the thing we're really going to drive home towards, is building usable real applications. In addition to just learning, hey, what the heck is React Native? My goal with this course is to start coding on real projects as soon as possible, but React Native makes that just a little bit difficult as it requires a little environment setup ahead of time. So we're going to go through a little bit of getting started stuff in the next couple of sections before we start working on our first application. Even if you've already ran through the React Native installation, if you did it like a couple months ago, hey, no problem, you can probably skip it. But if you installed React Native like when it first came out, then I really recommend that you go through the installation directions, because setup with React Native is kind of a little bit notoriously difficult. Now, one quick word about compatibility with your operating system. If you are using OS X, so you're using the Mac, we will be going through setup with both iOS and Android. Okay, so we'll be able to run iOS and Android applications. And if you're using Windows, we'll be setting up just Android, because Windows does not have iOS support with React Native. Just yet. Officially, I should say. The official React Native documentation has instructions for setup with Linux as well. So if you're running Linux, you can certainly go through those directions, but we will not be going through it on this course, through the actual videos. Every app that we build in this course is going to be 100% compatible with both iOS and Android, so no need to sweat getting left in the cold if you do not have the perfect OS setup. So with that in mind, let's get started with our environment setup in the next section.